mina nguphumza 2 013 Golden Circle. Golden Circle.
You know, when ensimini yase-Eden, uNkulunkulu akwada for a term that we are using, kwada Adam and Eve, and give them a punishment for Adam not taking accountability. Angayifundiswanga uNkulunkulu, you know. So not just is part of this thing. Ukhona la. Then when uNkulunkulu athi kuMosi kill these Canaanites because they've decided ukuthi bazenzele ubulale nomntwana ungashiki next yalabantu because they decided to worship a golden calf.
So that's like naye ufuna ukuthi mange analyze ukuthi ufuna ukuthi sibone ukuthi naye uNkulunkulu khona namandla wakhe. Yabo mina mange analyze ngiwani ukuthi ireason ukuthi kwenzeke konke yonke le scenario le uNkulunkulu bekafuna ukushowa ukuthi ukhona uNkulunkulu.
uJesu is part of this decision. uLord nakathena into tswayi uJesu he's part of this decision. When the Egyptians are drowning in the sea, he's part of this thing. uJesu khona kuyo yonke lento le. When the whole earth gets flooded, uJesu is in agreement that is into this. The Holy Spirit. Right? So all these atrocities and evil that was committed by God, Jesus is part of it. And then will it make it easy to say, Maro uJesu kahle kahle na ufela izono zethu or zakhe lezi bebalobazenza the Trinity?
No, asikhulume so.
I shouldn't have ngisho ukuthi lezi zabo
ngiveze something ukuthi
so kancane mfundisi kunalezono bebazenza within the Trinity. Zifela ubani. So there was a new duty and a directive that was given to Satan. Do you agree? Athuma uNkulunkulu.
No, akathuma
John
asambe soyithu bekasesekude makwenzeka konke lokho ukuseseyera kaNkulunkulu boksa
but you said bekakhona from eqala.
But ukusebenza uNkulunkulu
angithi lento so they were separated. There was a time when they were separated.
Mvumi iso manje thina siphila ngomoya oyingcwele. uJesu Kristu akasekho kithi sekabuyele ekhaya ezulwini la masinisela khona 24/7 thina manje
usinisela ini ngokusifela phela now if you pay for my debt if you pay for it sikoloto siyasulwa
angisho uyasenza futhi
you understand
uyasenza futhi angisho
oh it was temporary
uyasenza ngifuna sivumela ukuthi uyasenza futhi isikoloto angisho